Welcome to Drew tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable live caption on your Windows 11 PC. Yes, you get it right, enable the live captions. So Windows have this feature that allows you to enable live captions for videos and so forth. So I'm gonna show you how that works. So right click on the Windows key in your taskbar here and you want to open up settings. Now, once you're in settings, you want to go down to accessibility, click on that. And if you look down under the hearing section, you will find an option that says captions, right? Style live captions. So click on that and you will see immediately it shows a preview like a video and it shows waves and blah, 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 and it shows captions, right? And here it says audio and video will be captioned live on your screen. So it's very easy. And you can quickly do that by pressing the Windows Control plus L to turn on those live captions. But as you can see here, guys, you need to enable this or turn this on. It's currently off. To do it, it's very easy. Simple toggle that on. And you will see immediately it pops up at the top. Do you want to continue to set up live captions? Click yes. And it's going to quickly set up the live captions for you. You will see it start to load up. So just give it some time, right? And let's sit back and wait for a moment. It says welcome to live captions, and as you can see, it's counting up in percentage. And yeah, it's very quick once it starts. And yeah, ready. And English is already set, so it's very easy. It's currently set to the English already, so that's how you do it. It basically takes the language of your computer as well, so that's it. You also have a section here that you can edit the style, so it says caption styles, and yeah, you can easily go ahead and switch this to whatever. You can change white and black or small caps. You will see it in the preview as well when you switch it. And large, you can see it shows a large there as well, and yellow and blue. It's really up to you. Some basic options, but they really works, right? So you can choose whatever you want there from here. Once you're done, go ahead and close this window here. And now, guys, the last thing I want to show you is not only to enable it, but how to actually use it. Now, on my second screen here, I have some videos, which you'll see coming out really soon as well. And I'm going to go ahead and open up one of these videos here. And yeah, before I play the video, guys, let's say the video doesn't have any sound. So I'm going to mute it as an example, right? Or turn on the volume, whatever. It doesn't have to be. You can just basically see the caption. So again, let me go back into the settings. So if I go back to settings and go to the accessibility and go down to captions, it tells you that you need to press the Windows Control plus L. So that's how you will basically do it. So let me go ahead and show you. So once you have a video open on your computer, in order to turn on the live caption, you will need to press the Control, the Windows, and the L. So I'm going to play this video right here. So I'm going to turn it down really so it doesn't affect what I will see. But you want to look at the top of the video right here once I start to play the video. And I press Windows Control and L, right? So let me go ahead and do it. You will see that it enables the live caption and you'll see it start to read the text. So let me show you how that works. So let me play the video. Video is currently playing, as you can see. And right now I'm going to press Control, Windows key and L. And you'll see it shows up at the top. It says ready to caption. And let's go ahead and wait for it to start the caption, right? So it's going to say ready to caption, but you just need to give it some time. Video is going to play there. And if you don't see it start there in the upper right hand side, you can click the gear here and you can see the captions, the languages, and so forth. You can do that. And you just need to wait for it to work, right? Now, in case you don't see it works, right? As you can see, mine is currently working at the moment. It paused, but I would like to tell you what happened. So what happened is this. Let me go ahead and close it for a moment and show you something. If the video is playing, guys, you want to ensure that video volume is playing, because if the video volume is low, I realize that the caption does not detect. So I will show you. So the volume is down. So I'm going to press the Control, Windows key and L, and it's going to pop up the caption. And as you can see, it says ready to caption, but nothing happens, right? You don't see anything, but it's actually enabled. Now, if I turn up the volume of the video, which I only do that for the purpose so that you can hear what I'm saying, but let me do that for a moment and turn it up, and you will see that the caption actually starts. So look at this. Go back here, find your current time zone in your current country. So you want to scroll down and you see it at the top, current time zone. So look for it. And I'm going to turn it down again. So there's no volume, but the video is actually playing, as you can see, but it stops. So Keep in mind that if you want to use the live caption, maybe you're watching a movie or you just want to see if it would work without any sound, if the computer volume is down, it will not work. So you want to have some volume there. So the moment it starts to capture the volume of it, which is strange, it starts again, as you can see. So always it's going to detect and automatically update your time to the correct time for you. Let me close it and let me stop the video right now. But that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. That's how you basically enable live caption on Windows. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.